Hi everyone, it's Lynn. Welcome to my crafty corner. I'm going to be making a dress card today. Well, a card making this, a card using this dress die that I got from AliExpress. I've not used there's a freebie there that they sent, some little bunting or whatever it is, and a bunny. We don't need those. So there's it's supposed to be on a stand, you know, like on a, oh god, what's it called, stand? Yeah, I can't think. Anyway, so it's, oh dear, that's the bottom of the stand, that's the top, and there's a little knob to go on the top if you want it on there. So that's the stand, and then you cut out one piece of this, one of these. This is the front panel of the skirt, and there's two of these, but you do one on one side of the paper and then you turn the paper over and do the other one, because then it fits on right, if you know what I mean. So you have to do it like that with your, oh gosh, paper face up, and then you cut it face down as you do with this one. It's you do two of those as well. And then there's the bodice of your dress. Tailor's dummy, that's it, tailor's dummy. That's what I was thinking of. So there's the bodice of your dress, and there is two like lapel things to make a big, I didn't like it, so I haven't used those. And for a frame, I'll use this old die that I've had for a long time, and I've just used the outer frame. That one. Just use the outer frame. I got that a good few years ago. I can't remember when, but I did. So I've got to use that. It's a 5x7 card base, and I cut I cut the frame out of some vellum, and I cut a piece of paper (4 6/8 by 6 5/8), and then I just went, I've got a corner die. I just use that corner die. It's not very good, unless it's just because the paper's thin. It could be because the paper's thin. Right, I'm going to put that on my card now, and then it's out of harm's way. And then we'll try and put the dress together. I've not put it together yet. Oh. Right. Bit of glue. Whee. There we go. I'm just going to pop that on there, like, ooh, that's not straight, Lynn. Oh no, can I get it off in time? Yes. That's better. Oh god, I hope you can't hear me yawning. I don't know why, I've just come over really tired. Right, so that's there. We're not going to stick that on yet. We're going to make up this bad boy. I'll just get my silicone mat, just in case I need it. I'll need it for that. Right, so you've got your top of your tailor's dummy, and the bottom. And I need my bodice. card bodice. I've used, this is Bird Ballad, Stampin' Up Bird Ballad paper that I'm using. I've just got scraps left, but I've managed to get enough out. And I've got some braid, some ribbon, peachy coloured ribbon, green ribbon. I've got 3 different blings, just to see which one I want to use when I actually get it together. So there. So that's just to, those are just to embellish it. But I'll see what I like once I've put the dress together. So I'm just going to glue my bodice onto the top of the tailor's dummy. Just do it like so. And there, I think I might stop there because I don't know how to do this. Right, so we've got the middle bit. Do I stick that on first, or do I stick these together first? Anyway, so we've got, if you can see when I'm holding it, there's the top's going to the left, to the right. So we need it that way around, so that it's, you know, straight with the top, more or less. So we've got to put these together. Get in, slightly tuck it underneath the skirt. And the same with this one, slightly tuck that under, so the longer bit is on the inside. I think that's how it goes. Let's try it the other way around. I know that's how that one goes. Should it be that way? No, it looks better the other way. So I'm just faffing about until I get it how I would like it to look, because it's got to fit all under that bodice. Oh, okay, let's see. Let's just glue that down first. I think it's double-sided, but I thought the birds were a bit too big for a dress like this, and I do like this paper, this peachy flower paper. Oh, I'll just glue that like so. Do the other side. Just a thin bead of glue. Line those tops up so that it's straight. There we go. That's that. And then this is going to go on there. Let's have a look. Is that all? Yeah, that will all fit. Okay, so put another thin bead of glue down there. Like I said in my last video, I should call myself an idiot card maker, because I should try these out before I actually come on camera. I never do. It is what it is. If it works out, good. If it doesn't, well. Do it just on the edge of that, I think. Bead. It's going to be glued down onto the vellum. Let's see if that's the same width as that one, more or less, a little bit more, I think. Looks about right. And we can just put a thin bleed of glue again on there. Just to attach the bodice. Just hold it and roly-mo. I'll put it on my mat so it doesn't stick to it if there's too much glue. Right, now we need to stick this bad boy hang on, let's measure this up. Okay, am I in camera? Am I in camera? So if I put the, come here, that there, and that there, where's the knob? Get your knob, stick your knob on the top. Put your knob down a bit then. Your knob needs to go down. Yeah, something like that. Might be an idea to stick that knob on first. No, we'll do that in a minute. We'll have a look at what sort of thing we want around the middle. I think that's going to be too wide. It looks alright, but no. Try the green, because there's green in the thing. Oh, that's nice. We could have that green, and we could have either a green flower in the middle, like that, or we could have a, come here, bling, a bling in the middle, or we could even have this little heart in the middle. Oh no, it's not in the middle there. I like that. But let's try the peachy ribbon. Oh, I'll stick it to my finger. Right, peach or green. Peach or green. Let me put them both on. I'll have a look. I like them both. What does that look like with the bling on it? Where's that little there? That'll look better with that on, I think. About the little flare. I think I might go for peach. Oops. Peachy weechy. Right, I'll get some double-sided tape just on the back. Double-sided tape, where are you? There you are. Just put a wee bit on the back. And non-stick scissors. There we go. Stick that on there. Sorry. Right, I'll peel the backing off. Peach or green? Peach or green? Peach or green? Peach. Here's now, because it's stuck on now. There. Peachy weechy. Now then, now we can have a look at this. In fact, just put the dab of glue behind there. No one will see it if I've got a bit of bling or whatever on the front. Just to hold the ribbon down in place. Right, now we've got this lovely heart. Oh, we've got the bling. Oh, ping. Get off. I think the flower might be a bit overkill. I think it might be. But I don't know. I think that might have been nicer on the green ribbon. We'll go with that bling. And go with the bling and put a little bit of glue on as well. Just to give it a little helping hand to stay on. Oh yes, I do like that now. Oh, why have I done that on there? Oh, Lynn, see? Idiot does cards. Dear God. Dear me. Do you know, if I had been given a brain, I'd be dangerous, I think, sometimes. That Idiot Abroad television programme, I'm an idiot card maker. Right, so that's the top of my tailor's dummy. I'll just put a bit of glue on the back of here and stick her down. You can do different panels in different papers if you wanted. I just wanted to use this pretty paper up because I love it. Love, love, love. So we'll line that up with there. And just before we put that down and stick it down, we'll put some glue on the back of here. I should have put it on dimensionals. Dimension. Never mind. Too late now. And then this needs to go like that. So it's in that. That's it. And we can stick it down. So there. That's that on there. We need that because I need to do a bit. Then we're going to stick it on the card like so. Line it up, line the corners up with those little diddlies in the corner. Fanny's your aunt. Oh, Bob's your uncle. Or Robert's your father's brother, whichever you want to say. Up to you. Just a little dab of glue on these edges, on the vellum. Come on, bit more. And then we'll put some more glue in the centre behind the dress. You won't be able to see it. Oh, gone off my mat. Right, just put some glue there. Oh, don't do that. No, stay. And then we'll just line that up, corner to corner. Yeah. There we have it. What's that in there? Oh, it's a little thingy. There we go. And you can put a sentiment on it or some more bling on it. It's totally up to you. That's a basic little card. Beautiful. Oh, I like that dress. I'd like a dress like that. And there we have it. Another little card using up scraps and some vellum. Hope you liked it. If you do, please, you know what to do. Thumbs up, subscribe, ding the bell. There you go. Share it if you want to. Tell your friends about me. Be nice to have some more subscribers, please. There you go. Nice little dress, and using a new die that I'm really pleased about. I'm really pleased about that. You could do it in like plain colours. Something there. What's that? Oh, I don't matter now. You could do it in plain colours. Say if you did a blue, so you could do that in one colour blue, that in another colour blue, that in the original blue. Do it like that. Yep, well, that can be embellished further in whichever way you wish. But thank you for watching for now. Thank you, everyone. Take care. Love you all. Love you lots. Bye.